What's up, guys? It's Dana. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly close and see what's going on. So there is like nothing positive if we look at the like I said, we have to give it 24 hours to 48 hours till we get a better picture, but seeing this and this opening like here, of course, is not a good sign. But we have to keep in mind we still haven't come down to test 17,500, so we are like struggling to hold these levels above 18.5. Let's bring back. So the momentum in the MACD is getting weaker, but this can roll over. Remember, this can go from pink to red also, so let's give it some time. But right now it looks like it's getting weaker. Just a moment, guys. So it looks like it's getting weaker, and the bullish divergence is still building. Nothing has changed there. RSI is very bearish. We're not oversold yet, but it is very bearish. Weekly, nothing has changed. You see, daily, this this is actually a nice doji, how it ended, how it closed. But we will see what happens. But this is supposed to be, I've spoken about it like this is sort of another reversal like candle. It implies like indecision. We'll see what happens, of course. Until there's follow through, we can't see much. Positive momentum is getting stronger on the MACD. We are still in bearish territories. Not much has changed since my last stream a few hours ago. What I like is it looks like we are back testing this trend line, but we'll see. We'll see if we hold and turn to the upside, or we break below it, then that was it. There is no, it means the market is so weak, not even TA is like being respected, because otherwise, like, at least 20,000 shouldn't be a problem. So if we go in the lower time frames, like the hourly, there is no bearish divergence. We had a pullback after this shooting star. Right, music. It continued down, but we seem to be holding. Like there's support around the moving average is holding us right now. But this moving average, I mean this. Let me just. The music is too loud for me. Just a minute. You guys should be able to hear it, but I shouldn't be able to hear it that much. So this shooting star played out. We had an engulfing candle after that, but right now looks like there's indecision. That's why this could be that we are like back testing this trend line. It is possible, but we will see. Let's give it some more time, a few hours or so, a day or two. There's no need there's like we don't need more than a day or two. A day or two should be enough to see like what's going on, for me at least. So that's Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Ethereum. I mean, weekly is not like looking good either for Ethereum or Bitcoin that much. I mean, because of this candle, we don't know how this week is ending. We don't know how it's looking either because it just started. But if you look at the past candle, it's not a nice like positive candle. So anyways, what is TA saying? TA is saying that we do have bullish divergence building, nothing complete. MACD is weakening, which is also another bullish factor. But we're still in bearish territories, very much so. when it comes to the RSI. But but if we look at the RSI of 16th of March and current period, we do have bullish divergence there. Otherwise, we don't have it on the weekly like we have it on the MACD, like in this period from the 29th till now. So that's just a moment, guys. I'm just gonna shut the fan off. I think that's why my nose is like I can't breathe. Just a moment. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if this helps me breathe clear. Like I feel so like my noses are like closed. Not my nose. I mean my nostrils are closed. Okay, anyways, enough with me whining. We can whine after the TA. If the TA doesn't play out, we can whine then. So there is some bullish thing going on for Ethereum as well. And that was the weekly, by the way, that we were looking at. Weekly TA stuff. And on the daily, what I don't like with the Ethereum is this bearish divergence that we have going on. And I did say last time, only way we're gonna like see it becoming invalid is if we come back to $2,000, which is a bit of a struggle right now with all the resistance ahead of Ethereum, like waiting for Ethereum. So there is like bearish divergence kind of building, like sort of building, nothing complete, but right now in this moment the strength is going back to the MACD. We have positive momentum. RSI is still bearish. This is daily. And if we look at the lower, by the way, we are below all moving averages. Okay, short term, mid term, and long term. And if we look at the 4-hourly, Well, we had an engulfing candle here after all this, but guys, we can't, like, if we can't even break above 1090, close above it, it's looking like, I don't know. It looked good for a moment there before, but I don't know, like, it's still looking weak. In general, we do know we're still in a bear market, right? And I mean, the market sentiment is bad, like it is bearish. It could be good for the people who are shorting, who have been shorting, but in general, the sentiment is bearish. But I don't know, we'll see. We can't seem to break out of this box and hold above it. There's not one single candle since a few days ago that has closed above it. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Ooh. I must say, I do not like this thing, well, just started, so let's give it time. Let's give it time. It's okay. We still do have bullish divergence building. Like the MACD is weakening. The negative momentum in the MACD is weakening, and our size still in bearish territories. This is the weekly. It's not like it's honestly not looking that bad. It is gonna start looking bad if we like go below 0.19 levels, but otherwise we are cool. But we break below these levels this night, somewhere around these levels, it's bad. What I don't like is we are below another trend line still. Okay, let me not jump fast. Daily, we are losing, like, positive momentum on the MACD is weakening. RSI is still bearish. There is like volume is bad, really bad. We did bounce off with a nice, very nice doji, and then well, this was an engulfing candle. It's not anymore. You'll see what happens. But there is no bearish divergence. Something we have to keep in mind. So we'll see where it goes. What else? What else? What else? Just a minute. Okay, let's have a look at Cardano. Like, you remember, guys, I did say when it came to Bitcoin, if where is it? Just a minute. Like, if we break below 19165, somewhere around these areas, this is that's it. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. It's either gonna break to the upside or downside soon anyways, so but to the upside this time is a short relief rally. It's nothing long term that I'm thinking of. when I speak about this short relief rally. But we can't even, we can't, this is the bad thing. We can't even come to 20,000 right now. But we will see what happens. Guys, if you like the content, welcome. I'm Dana. Subscribe, smash the like, hit the hit the bell. Sorry, guys, hit the bell, and try to, you know, share it with friends, and then all that. I appreciate it if you guys do it. So we can like get it out there in YouTube, because I come or I bring you traditional TA, like my knowledge and what I've learned, and I tell you what TA is telling me. So the point is for us to read TA better, for you to learn, for us to learn together. So if you like these contents, hit the like. Okay, Bitcoin. Shall we have a look at Cardano? Yes. Like, that was such a like weak upside action like earlier. Because look now. But we'll see, we'll see. We're still holding support levels, so we shouldn't be so pessimistic. We'll see what happens. The levels are still the same. Just go back to the last one and it's there. Nothing has changed. We're still like at the bottom of this parallel channel, which is not good. I mean, we can't even reach 0.5, 0.49, but we'll see. Let's look at the alts versus BTC pairs, because alts versus USDT pairs, they're looking like a nightmare. Like, I mean, compared to alts versus BTC, they are not looking that good. So, just a fast glimpse, if we remove everything, drawings and so, and this is daily Cardano USDT, okay? This is daily Cardano BTC. See the difference? Simple. I'm not like doing anything difficult now, just a simple glance. USDT, like downtrend action. BTC, a bit of a uptrend action. Just a moment. So, let's bring up the drawings. Remember I said this was a while ago, maybe 2 weeks ago or so, 3 weeks ago maybe, I don't know, but a while ago now. I spoke about us, we were somewhere lower. Like there was a probability, a chance we could come and test these areas, and we did. And I did say if we hold this range, if we actually hold it, like we don't come down, we just have some type of sideways action, it means there's strength. Okay, it means there's strength. And look at this now. This is daily, okay? Do you see like there's already bullish divergence on the daily? Let's have a look at the weekly and see what's weekly is not well. Weekly is not looking bad. Weekly is really not looking bad. We held these levels after we came and hit our first short-term target. We held this key level. Okay, this is the thing. This is another key level that we've been rejected by 2 weeks in a row. We didn't touch it last week, but the weeks before that. So if we break, which there is like some possibility it could happen. We have a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly. Oh, okay, guys. All right. There is something important to take a note on. If we can't break above, and I mean, if we do not close above, if we can't close above and open above, like a candle on the weekly, 2647. This we have bearish divergence like building. It's building. It's not complete. It's building. But it's gonna be invalid if we break like 2582. We break it, it's gonna be invalid. We close above it, it's good. Not with the wick. With the whole good candle, okay? Not just with the wick. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, like I said, we have a nice bullish divergence. Our side is in bullish territory, very nice. So we could see some continuation to the upside. But question is, are we gonna be rejected again at 2461? Because if we can close above, let's say 2450 satoshis, we can't close above it, and there's no new candle that opens above it. Cardano BTC is gonna be stuck in this range and then probably go down, like, because we have to keep in mind we do have this shooting star. We do a lot of indecision, and it's not after an uptrend, after a downtrend. This is happening after an uptrend, so be cautious. It is stronger than ADA versus USDT. I'm not taking that back, but right now be cautious because I still haven't seen any type of like real pullback after all this. Like nothing like this yet. I haven't seen anything. Just it's just holding. Okay, lower time frames. We've held support again. Let's say the moving average area has held that support because it's the same kind of area I was looking at too. So we have we have some type of support around 2340 satoshis to 335 satoshis to 330 satoshis, around those areas. Okay, it's if we break that, we should like you know, hold on and wait and see what Cardano wants to do next when it comes to Bitcoin pair. Not USDT pair, Bitcoin pair. What else? What else? What else? How's Bitcoin doing, by the way? I mean, we're holding. We're holding. So far, we're holding. Okay. Guys, Aave versus Bitcoin. Just a moment, drinking water. So, Aave versus Bitcoin. This could be I should almost, you know what, guys? If you're watching the show, if you watch the show, put this in the like comment section. Let me know what you think this is. What is this? This parallel channel? What do some people also call it? What can it also be seen as in this trend that it is in this like downtrend it is in? What does it like say about probabilities? What does it say? Let me know in the comment section, and we'll discuss it again in the next stream because I've spoken about this so many times, and I'm not gonna give out any clues today because I've given out many clues before about how you can spot these and stuff. So just watch older streams and you will learn while I'm doing them. So I like this. I like this. We broke out. We backtested, broke below, and then engulfing candle, bullish. Well, not really. Okay, I take it back. But nice green candle. After that, we came backtested, and we got a hammer. Now we will see if this hammer is valid by seeing any type of follow through action. So nothing is, you know, completely 100 yet. We'll see what happens. Okay. What's XRP doing? Wow. Got rejected by the hardline. It was a very nice action. This is still not done. If we think about it, it's still not done. 4 hourly was looking at. But let's see now. Let's see what TA is telling us. Okay, weekly. Weekly XRP, we still have bullish divergence building. RSI is in, well, bearish territories. So 1-to-1 to bulls and bears. And then we have, let me just start the music again, real fast. Okay. And daily, it's same. Look at my last stream. So, cause like not much has changed. Just look at the last stream. Literally a few hours ago, I was talking about this, and not much has changed. We had a nice, like I said, there is bullish Harami, um, but this hardline is like acting as resistance. So we'll see. But TA is saying this is not so bearish. XRP is not looking so bearish short term. Anything I'm saying right now is short term things. But let's see what Bitcoin does. Let's see what Bitcoin does, okay? Is it gonna respect the TA? Back to XRP. Okay, so this is XRP USDT, okay? 4 hourly, no bearish divergence. Daily, no bearish divergence. Hourly, no bearish divergence. Okay. And let's have a look at Ripple versus BTC. Okay, guys, I regret this. We'll take this one another day because there's a lot going on. I just remembered this. It's still stronger than Ripple versus USDT. Let me just add that. But we'll dig into it more tomorrow, probably. Okay, guys, so that's the weekly Ethereum, USDT, Cardano, Ripple. I think I took out the main ones. I already made had another live stream yesterday. I mean earlier today. Well, it was before 12 o'clock in Europe, 12 a.m. midnight. That's why I'm saying yesterday, but it was earlier, a few hours ago. But that was a short update, guys. There's not much going on. Like, we're back testing it as long as we don't break back below this. See at 27. Well, first we have this first resistance at 20,000, but we break that 20,700 areas is not far away. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. So if you guys enjoy the stream, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any other stream, by the way. So yeah, we know the critical levels in Bitcoin. We can have a look at maybe Cosmos. Cosmos has respected TA to the point. Let's start with Cosmos USDT. And when I'm talking about it respected TA to the point, I'm talking about Cosmos Atom versus BTC more than Atom versus USDT. So let's start with the weekly. Well, we do have some sort of bullish divergence thing going on. Building, not complete, not incomplete, okay? Nice hammer on the weekly, followed with a nice engulfing green candle, bullish. But we can't break above $8.77. We're kind of stuck there. Doji market is like losing breath, and now we'll see how this coming week goes. RSI is still in bearish territory, so I mean it's like 50-50. I don't know about this, but daily, what is this? You can barely see it. There it is. Okay. So daily, we had bearish divergence. We did. We kind of came and bounced off like key areas too. Nice wick hammer, a bit of a follow through, indecision. We will see what happens, but next target is clear. I mean, we don't have any resistance until $9. But where's the music? What happens to music? There we go. Yeah, like there's no resistance until $9.2 right here. So if Bitcoin pulls up, Cosmos can continue to 9.2. Oh, YouTube audio actually had some good tunes. I never played this. What is this? Reggae. This is not reggae. This is more like reggaeton, but okay. Anyways. Oh, by the way, guys, to all Americans, all those American friends, may peace, love, and happiness always be with you. And I wish you a very, very happy 4th of July. I hope you have a wonderful day with a lot of fireworks, beautiful fireworks. Hopefully one day I'm gonna come and experience that too. But I wish you a very happy 4th of July. So, let's have a look at Cosmos versus Bitcoin. Weekly. Well, the bullish divergence is already playing out. We already see that. It's been playing out for a while now when it comes to alts versus Bitcoin pairs. But I don't like how the daily is looking. I don't like this action here. I don't. We have bearish divergence in play. Looks like we do have resistance right here. Yeah. Around these areas, 4,200, 4,220 areas. So like we can come back and pull down, like wouldn't be shocking. Come back and test maybe 3,700 satoshis, 3,600 satoshis, 650 satoshis, somewhere around these areas, like not to the dot, but somewhere around these areas, like this, around this line. You guys see the number too. So yeah, it's not looking good like short term right now. Areas too long were here. Right now I'd like me personally, I'd wait for a little pullback. I mean, I'd rather go short here with a very, very, very tight stop loss because alts versus bitcoins have been showing strength, so we have to be cautious. But TA is saying like probability is higher for a pullback than something else first. Okay, guys, I just wanted to come back and update you guys about the weekly action going on. Not much has happened since the last stream. It's more detailed in the last stream, so if you have time, well, you should make time for knowledge. But if you have time, or try to make time and watch the last stream as well. This is just one that's connecting the dots because we were gonna follow up. So this is just a follow-up, a short follow-up. Bitcoin YouTube week. If it doesn't hold 19,122, 19,130 around these areas, if it can't, 19,150, okay? If we close below it, you know it's below the trend line, so eyes open, be cautious, guys, okay? So yeah, guys, thanks for me, thanks for the views, the likes, the subscribes. Always, always appreciate it a lot. Have a nice 4th of July, a festive one. Enjoy yourselves, don't hurt yourselves. And I'll see you tomorrow. It's 3 a.m. in Europe, so I'll be heading for a little sleep time now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait. Okay, wait. Damn you, Bitcoin. Wait. Let's see what happens. I'm not going yet. Just when I was about to leave, things happen. Let's see if we hold. I'm gonna put the 10-minute chart on and I mean, I'm going soon, but let's just watch this together, okay? What kind of person would I be if I would just be leaving you guys in the middle of the action? Like, so I'm gonna stay with you, have a look at this, and we'll see what happens together. Ooh, sell pressure is coming back. Look at the volume. I don't like this. Thank God, it's little, okay. I was zoomed in. What happened? 19160 and what? What? Are we gonna break it or are we good? These were the exact levels we were talking about even in the earlier stream. You know what I said? It's important to hold. We don't hold it. This is a failed try from the bulls. Bears are shredding them. Nasty bearish engulfing candle on the 10 minutes. But we'll see what happens. We broke support here, obviously. And now this follow through. Ooh. Guys, if you're watching the stream, let me know. Let me know. I see viewers, but I don't know if you guys are lurking, like probably too tired to write anything. Welcome to the show either way. What's Ethereum doing? Let's have a look at Ethereum at the same time. Of course, it's doing the same, just following Bitcoin. But Bitcoin just wow, minus 84%. 1 hour after the first week have started. Okay. Ethereum minus 40%. 1 hour after the weekly candle started. Okay. I want to have a look at XRP too. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? XRP is still green. XRP USDT is still green. What the? Wow. So you're telling me XRP USDT is green while Bitcoin is on the red? What's going on? T is going on. We'll see if it holds. I mean, wouldn't be that like that would be one of the strangest things. XRP like doing well and not Bitcoin. Well, we'll see what happens. I'm talking about short. I'm literally like joking now. Don't take it with a salt of grain. So I'm not serious. I'm just saying like it's just funny to see like XRP versus USDT on the green, like it's green, plus 30% or something on the 1 hour after the weekly candle started, and Bitcoin is like, what are you doing? What are you doing, Bitcoin? What are you doing? We don't want people to come back from the 4th of July and like, we want them to have a good day, a great day, like enjoy their day and everything. So stay above this line. So anybody who's outside and watching their wallets right now, profits and stuff, they can be happy. So far, we're still above the trend line. You know what I don't want to do? Like, end the stream, and the minute I end the stream, like, this goes below it, and then we didn't watch it together. Like, I don't want that to happen. So, and if you ask me the level of tired that I am right now, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably at an 8, 8.5. I'm very, very tired. I'm just trying to, be live for the action, be there. Come on, Bitcoin, do something, do something. Either break it or show me some type of strength. Oh, I felt like I was in the Caribbean for the moment. Well, the heat in this country right now makes you feel like you're in the Caribbean. So you got all the fans and everything like on just to cool yourself off, but then instead, like in my case, I got sick instead. Like, well, not sick, but I'm like my nostrils are closed and everything. What to do? If there's winter, people complain. Summer comes, people complain. Like people always complain either way. It's like the bears and the bulls. Price goes up, bears complain. You see, price goes down, bulls complain. Okay, okay. We're pulling back a little bit, but being rejected by the long-term moving average. So we'll see how this ends. Okay, guys, that was it for me for today. I'm pretty much KO'd by now. I'm gonna go to bed, so you know the critical levels. You know what we're looking for, what we're aiming for, what TA is saying, what TA is not saying. what oscillators are saying. I went through all of it. More detailed, like more detailed reading on the TA is on the last stream, the one before this one. I think it's stream number 51. This is 52. So I'll see you tomorrow. Take care till then. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified in time. And thank you very much for everything, for all the views, the loves, the love, the likes, and the subscriptions. Thank you. See you tomorrow.